Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So this video is going to be a very quick video and I'm going to tell you about our RAM cleaner. Previously in my this video that you guys just loved that video and already people are commenting on this video. They are getting really good results by following these steps. If you haven't checked that, you can check it out. The link will be in the description down below. I just showed in that video a RAM cleaner. Basically I have access to a paid utility application, that is MSI Center, because my motherboard supports this application where I have access to a RAM cleaner. It does very good job. But today's video is not about this MSI Center. I am going to tell you about a free alternative to this app, a free application that you can use to clean up your memory before you go gaming, because a free amount of RAM can help us in a gaming. To get this application, you need to go to the Microsoft Store and you can simply search this in your start menu or in a search bar. You can just search store and here is the Microsoft Store and we need to open this. Once Microsoft Store is open, at the top bar just search for PC Manager. This is the application, but you can search for the PC Manager and here is the application. It is called as a Microsoft PC Manager and just install this application. Alright, this application is installed. You can either close this store and you can search for the install application PC Manager, and here is the application. I will like to pin it on the taskbar. Here it is, and let's open this application and this is how it looks like. Let me show you how does it work. Here is my RAM. Currently 43% is in use and we are going to clean this. That unused RAM or those services or application that are necessary at this point that should be killed automatically. To free up the RAM, we are going to click on the boost. Here it starts its magic and you can see from 43% my RAM usage is dropped to whopping 31%. About 12% RAM is free now. My RAM is still in a high use because I'm also recording video in the OBS. This application is not as powerful as MSI Center that I have an access, but this can get the job done and you can use it. I have a warning for you. Once this application was in the beta stage, I have used it excessively. That gave me an error or conflicting bug with my Microsoft Defender. My real-time protection get turned off, but it seems like now this is fixed as this application is now officially launched with a full release. Now this is out of the beta, so that bug is fixed. You can use this and it can get the job done, and do let me know, does it help with you in a gaming or not? If it didn't help you, I will bring another application for you. Definitely that will be free as well. Before we end this video, I would like to request you, more than 96% users who do watch my video do not subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel so we can grow as a YouTube community. We will be meeting you another video. Till that, bye.